Hey there, Bonita National fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing our newest listing here at 17290 Cherrywood Court. This is a Arrowhead coach home. It's the downstairs floor plan, part of the social membership only line of coach homes that you're going to find here at Bonita National. The Arrowhead here is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage coach home, coming in just under 1,800 square foot. You've got the side entry here. And as we come into the unit, you've got a nice little entrance space here. And this opens directly up into your great room area here with the dining room, living space, and kitchen, all in this nice great room design. But let's focus on the left side of the unit here first. This is where you're gonna find your guest bedrooms, your laundry, and your garage access. So right here is your garage access. That's your 2-car garage. You've got your laundry space here with full-size washer and dryer and some additional rack storage above. And then you've got your 2 guest bedrooms here with the bifold closets. And then directly behind me is the guest bath here with the combination tub and shower. One also nice unique feature is that you have a pocket door that you can close this off right here, give all your guests some extra privacy. Now for the main showcase area here, you've got the beautiful kitchen with the corner pantry, the white cabinets. You've got the upgraded subway tile here as well. Some beautiful pendants that were added right above the kitchen bar here. And it's a nice open great room design, so everybody's going to be part of the conversation here as you're entertaining. Now back in the corner here you have the master suite. It's a super large master bedroom here. Some upgraded flooring added, the wood laminate style flooring here. This unit has also been painted throughout. You've got the nice size his and hers closet here. And then that brings us into the master bath with the large shower. You've got the dual vanities here, your private water closet, and also an additional linen closet. Now coming back out towards the main area here, last but not least, we've got our outdoor living space. The coach homes have a really nice size lanai here. As evidence, you've got a nice 4-top here plus additional seating here in the corner. And then you have a beautiful view of the lake here. And right about this way is facing directly west, so you'll have some really nice sunset views from this coach home here. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this coach home, it's being offered furnished. So all the furniture that you see here would be part of the equation when you're buying this home. If you're interested, you can contact us at all of the information below. For Pinnacle Property Group, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.